Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you our fourth lesson. What is the title of our fourth lesson? The title of our fourth lesson is The Rainbow. What is the title of our fourth lesson? The Rainbow. So our first section is warm-up session. What is our first session? Warm-up session. So in the warm-up session, they have asked us a question. What is that question? Do you know how a rainbow is formed? Discuss in the class. So they have asked us how the rainbow is formed. Okay, you already know how the rainbow is formed, right? So you have to write the answer here. Okay, this is the rainbow. We have already discussed it regarding rainbow in the term 1, right? So you have an idea about how a rainbow is formed. Okay, so let us read out the poem The Rainbow, written by Christiana Rossetti. Who is the poetess? Christiana Rossetti is the poet who wrote this poem. Okay, let us read out the poem. Boats sail on the rivers. What sails on the rivers? On the rivers, boats are sailing and ships sail on the seas. Who sails on the ships? Ships sails on the seas. Who sails on the rivers? Boats. Okay. Who sails on the rivers? Boats. Who sails on the seas? Ships. Ships sails on the seas and boats sails on the rivers. That means those things who sails on the rivers or boats are known as boats. Those things that sails on the seas are known as ships, as we already know. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. So the poetess is saying, rather than boats, rather than ships, the clouds that are sailing on the sky. Have you ever observed the clouds are sailing all over the sky? They are moving here to there, right? So they are sailing on the sky. So the poetess is saying, rather than the boats, rather than the ships, who is the most prettiest ones? The clouds. Those are sails on the sky. So there are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please. So you already know the bridge are constructed on the rivers, right? So they are so pretty. Rather than that, but the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. So see the bow. It is also like a bridge between earth to sky, right? Rainbow is also the poetess considered the rainbow as a bridge. If you ever observe that some bridges are constructed on the river, right? So the poetess compared that bridge with the bridge on the sky. Who is the bridge on the sky? Or what is the bridge on the sky? The bridge on the sky is rainbow. It also builds the road from earth to sky. It is far more prettier than that. So first the poetess is saying, so rather than boats and ships, the clouds are the most prettiest one. Rather than the bridge on the rivers, the rainbow that forms a bridge from earth to sky is the most prettiest one. So in this way, the poetess explains this poem. Okay. So you hope you understood this poem. Let us see the exercise part. So our first section is new boats. What is the first one? Bridge. So what is the meaning of bridge? A road that goes over a river and helps people to cross. So as you know what is a bridge, you have already an idea about bridge. See, a bridge is constructed on the river, or it can be constructed on the road also. Okay, so a road that goes over a river. If any road that is above the river and that helps people to cross the river, then it is known as a bridge. Okay, so our second new word is heaven. So what is the meaning of heaven? Place of great happiness. You know, heaven, hell, heaven is the place of great happiness where you found lot of happiness. Okay, so what is the meaning of overtops? Goes over the top. The rainbow goes over the top of the sky, right? So overtops means goes over the top. Okay, so our next section is understanding the text. What is our next section? Understanding the text. So the first section they have asked us to fill the blanks. There are 4 blanks are given to us. We have to fill that blanks with the answers. Okay, so fill in the blanks. So what is the first one? Dashed sail on the river. The things which sail on the river are known as boats. So ship sails on the, where you find the ships? Where does you find the ships? On the sea. Clouds sail across the, where you found the clouds? On the sky. The dash bulls erode from earth to sky. Dash bulls erode from earth to sky? The rainbow. The rainbow. Okay, so let us see our next section. So let us answer our next section. Answer these questions. Okay, in the CW part I will give you the answers. Now let us quick check. What is prettier than sailing boats and ships? So with what the poetess has compared? What is more prettier than the sailing boats and ships? The clouds that shines on the sky is more prettier than sailing boats and the ships. So see the second question. What is built on the rivers for vehicles to move? So as we already discussed. So what is built on the rivers for vehicles to move? The bridge. So see the third one. What builds a road from earth to sky? The thing that builds a road, that means a bridge from earth to sky, is known as the rainbow. Okay. So let us see the next section, understanding words. Look at the picture. Join the names to form new words. What is this? This is rain. And what is this? This is a bow. Right. So you have to join these words. If you join this word, which word will form? You have already know this joining of words. Rain plus bow, rainbow. So let us see the next one. Star plus fish. What could be? Star, fish. It is a star. Plus, and what is this? It is a fish. So what is this picture? It is a space. See an astronaut. What is this? It is a ship. Space plus ship. Spaceship. So what is this? It is a basket. Plus, what is this picture? It is a ball. So basket plus ball is equal to basket, ball. So what is this picture? It is sun. You all know. What is this picture? It is a glass. So sun plus glass, sunglass. Okay. So let us look at this picture. What is this? It is a pan. Plus, what is this picture? It is a cake. Pan plus cake, pancake. Okay. Is it clear for you? In this way, you have to add the words to make it as a single word. We have already learned this, right? So let us see. Rain plus bow, rainbow. Star plus fish, star plus. Star plus fish, starfish. Space plus ship, spaceship. Basket plus ball, basketball. Sun plus glass, sunglass. Pan plus cake, pancake. So our next section is listening part. Now I am going to see. Listen to the passage and tick the correct options. So now I am going to read the passage. You have to listen the passage carefully. And then we have to answer all these 5 questions. Okay. So see, this is the passage that is given to us. The rainbow. A red boat was sailing on the blue water. Which boat is sailing on the blue water? A red boat. Suddenly, a big brown ship came that way. Suddenly, what happened? A big brown ship came on the same way that the red boat was sailing. The boat had to wait till the ship went away. So, till the ship went away, the boat had to wait. Which boat? The red boat has to wait till the brown boat has crossed on its way. So see, now grey clouds started coming down as rain. Now what happened? So do you know the color of clouds already? What is the color of clouds? The grey. So grey clouds have started to rain. So what happened? All of a sudden, the beautiful peacocks started dancing in the forest and the grass looked fresh and green. So what happened? When the rain falls down, the peacocks started to dance. So, and in the forest, and the grass becomes very cool, which is in green color. Okay. So this is the para. Now let us answer the questions. So see, what is the first line? The blue boat or the red boat that was sailing on the water? Which color boat? The red boat. So the water was in dash color. What is the color of water? Green or blue? Blue. So the boat had to stop for the big black ship or brown ship? Big brown ship. So the clouds came down as rain. What is the color of clouds? White or grey? Grey. So Dash started to dancing in the rain. What is the bird that started to dancing on the rain? Does that it is any birds or the peacocks? Yes, the right answer is peacocks. So the first one answer is red, and the second one is blue, and the third one is brown, and the fourth one is grey clouds, and the peacock started to dancing in the forest for the rain. Okay. So this is our listening. Let us see our next session. So our next section is speaking session. Bring your favorite picture or toy to the class. Tell the class about it. You can talk about the following points. So in the speaking section, what you have to do is you have to take a toy and you have to describe about it. So you can start with the color of the toy and the shape of the toy and how you play with it. For example, if you take a teddy bear, you all having a teddy bear, right? So for example, what is the color of your teddy bear? So it may be pink. So my teddy bear is pink in color and it is in the shape of a bear, and I will, how you play with it, that you have to write, that you have to speak a few words about your toy. Okay, that is your speaking session. So your next session is writing. What is your next session? Writing session. Color and describe the picture. You all are excited to color this picture, right? So you have to color the tree as green and it is as blue, and the sun with yellow, and the girl, whatever the colors you like, and the birds and the flowers and the doggy. Okay. So first what you have to do, you have to color this picture. After that you have to describe a few words about the picture. See, there is a bright sun and there is a big green tree, and there are some birds are living in the tree, and the tree has some flowers. There is a girl standing under the tree and also a dog standing under the tree. So in this way you have to write few words about this picture. So when the sun is shining heavily, the tree gives us its coolness. Okay. And the shadow of the tree helps us to prevent the body from the sun heat. That you have to write. Whatever you want to describe about this picture, that you have to mention a few words in the lines given below. Okay. So our next section is pronunciation. So what is our next session? Pronunciation. Read aloud the words given below. We have to read the words that are given below. So you have to read the words with me. R-A-T-T-L-E, rattle. P-R-E-T-T-Y, pretty. B-U-T-T-O-N, button. A-T-T-A-C-H, attach. A-T-T-E-N-D, attend. L-I-T-T-E-R, litter. C-A-T-T-L-E, cattle. F-I-T-T-I-N-G, fitting. W-R-I-T-T-E-N, written. S-E-T-T-L-E, settle. B-E-T-T-E-R, better. B-O-T-T-L-E, bottle. Okay. So you have to again practice these words along with the pronunciation. Okay. Along with the right pronunciation. So our next section is activity section. Draw a picture that has a rainbow, mountains and rivers and color it appropriately. So our activity section is all about the rainbows, the mountains and the river, and color it appropriately. For example, if you can draw a house here. Above the house you can draw rainbow and mountains and the river under the house. Whatever the scenery you want to draw, that you have to draw. But in that scenery, you must have a rainbow, mountains and the rivers. Okay. So that is your activity session. For now, the lesson 4 is completed. Up to 1 to 3, the textbook part and the CW part, I have already kept in the our school app in the activities in the assignment session. Okay. In the assignment, you can found the 1 to 3 textbook part along with the CW part of lesson 1 to 3. Now I am going to keep the 4th lesson textbook part and the CW part in the assignments icon of our school app. So you must download it and you have to complete the lesson 4 CW. Okay. So hope you understand the lesson. Reread the lesson. Thank you.